Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 25 of 25th or whatever of January. Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Um, yeah, yeah, so I usually do these live, so if it's a little bit slow, just fast forward it, and because I usually try to go over my thought process. And my energy is, of course, still a little bit low if you want to do the vlog portion of this, where yeah, life's been kind of weird lately. So, yeah. So, treasure your time. That's what I would say, maybe. I don't know. This is not prepared, so it's a little bit weird then, my bad. Okay, anyway. Check if all ones are at least linked K places away. Okay. K distance away, otherwise return false. I think that's just greedy, right? Hmm. I don't really see any tricky ways. You just kind of keep track of the last one, and then when you see a one, you see if the last one was at least K distance away. I don't know if yeah, I mean I think that's pretty much it really. I don't Why is there a hint? Is there anything tricky? I don't think so. I think the only thing that may be tricky is that, if you have a bet, from the first away, you may have to have something like in the negative infinity or something so that, you keep track of it. But that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's get started coding. I'm going to click on the hint just in case. I don't know. I'm just curious what the hint could be because what is there? I don't know. This is maybe too. Every time you find a one, okay, well, that's not a hint. That's just a solution, which we already talked about. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Let's set this to negative infinity, and then now for index x in enumerate nums. If x is equal to 1, we check whether so if last minus index is less than k, maybe even equal to k. I have to double check that off by 1. But we'll check it on the test later. So you have two zeros before the 1. Okay, yeah. But so this may be equal. Let's see. Right, so this is 6. Is it 6? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. This is 4, 3. So you have to be 2 zeros away. So that means 3 away. So this is this minus 1? Also, I got the indexes wrong. So index minus last, and let's not set negative infinity because maybe we may overflow them something dumb, but let's do negative million, which is big enough. And so if this is true, then we return false, and also we set last is equal to index, and that's pretty much it. At the very end, we return true. I think that should be good. Let's give it a spin, and we're going to do more test cases, and it's not that hard to do so that should be okay. And I think these goes over a lot of the edge cases that I would have considered already. So these test cases actually handles a lot for us, I believe. So if there's an off by 1, it should show up here. Looks okay because this is the one that I was worried about, and maybe even this one. But yeah, okay. Let's just give it a submit. Cool. Yeah. So I don't. Yeah, this is pretty quick because the problem's pretty quick. Um, Obviously this is constant. Oh, sorry, constant space, linear time. I mean, and yeah, yeah, this is constant space, linear time. Let me know what you think. I mean, this is just a for loop, and we keep track of the last element in a greedy kind of way. So yeah, I guess I have to throw in greedy in there because if I don't say it's greedy, then because I think the this I think this is not that interesting as a problem, to be honest. But components of this, if you practice enough, you may use in another similar problem, for example, and kind of figure out why greedy works in this case. Will help you toward that as well. And I think that that's the kind of thing that when you see someone else doing a similar problem, you're like, wow, how can they be so fast? Well, that's because they do problems like this where they're like, okay, they already solved it, right? And they already played around it properly. They already know why it's greedy. They already know why greedy works, and they're able to just go right at it instead of kind of proving it every step of the way. So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, stay to good mental health, and I'll see y'all later. Bye bye.